Is my child too young to leave at home alone? This is a question asked by parents all over the country, and the answer, well, that can get a little complicated. But let's get into some basics first. Children under 7 years old should never be left home alone under any circumstance. It's simply not safe. Kids between 8 and 10 years old should be okay for short periods of time during the day. Think 30 minutes while you go and run an errand, but definitely not at night, and make sure your kid is emotionally ready for this experience. At ages 11 to 12, some children are able to handle being at home alone for a few hours, especially right after school. But they should know how to call 911, how to operate in an emergency, and to not open the door for strangers under any circumstance. Teens 13 and 15 can typically stay at home longer. They may even be able to watch over their younger siblings. But this depends on your child's maturity and the situation, so knowing and informing your child is very important here. By 16 or older, most teens are fine being at home alone overnight. Just make sure to check in on them and that their emergency contacts are at the ready. But here's what's vitally important. Your state might actually have a law concerning this matter. According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, Maryland, Illinois, and Oregon are 3 states that have specific minimum age requirements for leaving your child at home alone. Illinois is the strictest, with the minimum age of 14 years old, followed by Oregon, where the minimum age is 10, and finally Maryland, where the minimum age is 8. Not following these laws can result in a misdemeanor, felony, or in very extreme cases, even Child Protective Service intervention. Definitely not something you want on your record or conscience. But what if your state doesn't have any specific laws? Well, if that's the case, then it's very important to ask these following questions before leaving your child at home by themselves. Is your child responsible? Can they stay calm under pressure? And most importantly, do they feel safe in their current environment? If you're not sure about any of those questions, then they probably aren't ready yet, and that's just fine. It's way better to be safe than sorry.